Well, here's a quick gardening tip for you. Looks like I've got a squash vine borer attacking my zucchini. Do you see him in there? It's right there. Look at, you can see him. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get in there with a blade and see if I can't cut him out of there. All right, with your blade, just make an incision right up through there. The best you can. Don't sever. Try not to sever. Just gently kind of peel that apart. You're not going to kill the plant. There he is right there. See that? There's your culprit. Now he will get quite large and he will eat all the way through the stem and kill your plant. So just dispose of him. Check to see if you've got any more. Usually there's more than one. Just go up and down that. And they'll go down quite far into your stem. Yep, there's another one. There's another one. Try to make sure you get them all, because if you leave one, looks like there's no more going that way. Oh, I hate doing this, but it's your only option, really. I've tried BT, squirting BT with a syringe inside. That works a little bit, but I found that this way really gets them out of there. It's really the only surefire way that I know of. Look in there, make sure you got them all. Hopefully, spread it out a little bit. Hopefully you got them all. Looks like I did. Pinch that back together the best you can. Grab yourself some compost and just pack it around. Pack it all the way around, nice and thick. Just cover that up. And hopefully we got them all in. That should be good enough to save this zucchini. With a little luck, we caught it early. The squash vine borer, those worms weren't very big. There was only 2 of them, so hopefully we got them. Water them in a little bit. And you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching.